Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,995. This truck has traveled 186,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline engine, offering smooth and reliable operation. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, designed with both functionality and comfort in mind, it comes equipped with an 85-amp alternator, power steering, and anti-chip plastic coating on the lower body panels to enhance durability and long-term reliability. Inside, the cabin features practical column-mounted switches for turn signals and headlamp controls, along with a key and ignition warning buzzer for added convenience. Visibility is enhanced by a 10-inch day or night rear-view mirror, while pulse windshield wipers and washers help maintain a clear view in changing weather conditions. A deluxe outside air heater with integrated defoggers ensures comfort throughout the year, making this truck as practical as it is stylish.
Number 2. 1970 Ford F100, price $10,000, finished in a striking two-tone grabber blue over Wimbledon white paint scheme that perfectly complements its vintage character. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 390 engine paired with a dependable automatic C6 transmission, offering smooth shifting and solid performance. The motor was professionally rebuilt 5 years ago and has logged approximately 500 miles since the rebuild, reflecting minimal use and careful ownership. An Edelbrock carburetor has been installed to improve fuel delivery and overall engine response, contributing to reliable drivability. Equipped with power steering, the truck provides easier handling and improved comfort behind the wheel, while its standard braking system maintains a traditional and dependable driving feel. Number 3.
2001 Mazda B2300, price $7,500, compact pickup that offers practicality, efficiency, and dependable performance. This particular truck has 168,000 miles and is powered by a fuel-efficient 2.3L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing a responsive and engaging driving experience. Finished in white with a clean interior, it features a short bed equipped with a protective bed liner, making it well-suited for both daily use and light-duty hauling. The truck is also equipped with hands-free music streaming for added convenience and modern functionality. It rides on nearly new all-terrain tires, and the tires have been recently replaced, ensuring confident handling on various road conditions. The vehicle comes with a clean title and a clean vehicle history report.
It has recently passed smog inspection and is ready for its next own. Number 4.
1996 Nissan Regular Cab, price $4,700, with 213,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine, making it both fuel-efficient and practical for daily driving or work-related tasks. It features a gray exterior paired with a green interior, giving it a classic and straightforward look that suits its utilitarian purpose. The vehicle holds a salvage title, and the registration is current through February 2026, providing peace of mind for the next owner. It runs and drives well, and it is described as a solid, reliable truck that is especially suitable for work use. Additionally, the air conditioning is fully functional, adding comfort for everyday driving.
Number 5.
1995 GMC 3500, price $5,500, equipped with a 6.5L Detroit turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. With 266,000 miles on the odometer, this diesel-powered truck continues to run and drive strong, reflecting the reliability and longevity these engines are known for. It features a green exterior matched with a brown interior, giving it a classic and rugged appearance that suits its heavy-duty character. This GMC has been maintained as a functional work truck. Some exterior components, including the grille, headlights, and tailgate, were replaced due to previous damage or cracks. However, it remains a genuine GMC truck. The dashboard is currently broken, but it does not affect the truck's ability to start, run, and drive properly. Overall, this 1995 GMC 3500 offers solid diesel performance, dependable automatic transmission operation, and the practicality expected from a 1-ton truck.
Number 6. 1997 GMC 2500, price $5,500, with 299,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering dependable performance and smooth driving. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck presents a classic and clean appearance. This vehicle has received extensive recent maintenance and upgrades, including new cylinder heads, a new timing chain, new crank seal, new oil pump, and new motor mounts. It also features a new battery, new water pump, new axle seals, and a new thermostat, along with fresh fluids throughout. Additionally, it rides on brand new 8-inch rally wheels wrapped in new tires and comes with new wiper blades. The truck has just passed Virginia State inspection and has been fully detailed inside and out, reflecting the care and attention it has received. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, shows 220,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been sitting for the past few years, but throughout its ownership it has consistently proven to be a reliable and dependable truck. According to the owner, it would likely take minimal effort to get it back on the road and functioning as a solid daily driver once again. The truck is currently on non-operational status, meaning there are no outstanding fees or unnecessary complications. As an added bonus, the sale includes a spare 1992 5.7L engine along with a transmission, both of which are already loaded in the bed, providing extra value and potential for future use or restoration. Number 8. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,500, offered in good overall condition with 236,000 miles. It is powered by a diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and features a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. The SLT package includes all available options for its year. The truck has less than 5,000 miles on the VP44 injection pump and lift pump, along with brand new batteries, and has just been smogged. It is equipped with a turnover gooseneck setup, overhead camper tie-downs, and the factory tow package. The truck remains bone stock, never chipped or tuned, and runs and drives well. The paint still shines, though not perfect, and there is a dent behind the left rear wheel. It comes with a clean California title in hand. Number 9. 1993 GMC 1500, price $3,600. It has 204,000 miles and is equipped with a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior over a blue interior, this gasoline-powered pickup maintains a classic and timeless look. Despite having just over 200,000 miles, it runs and drives like a dream, delivering smooth acceleration and consistent performance without skipping a beat. The engine starts easily, idles steadily, and performs reliably on the road, making it a dependable daily driver or solid work truck. The only known issues are cosmetic, as the truck holds a salvage title resulting from a minor rear-end collision in the past. There are no reported mechanical problems related to the incident. Number 10. 1994 Ford F150, price $3,500, equipped with a factory 5.0L short block engine and a manual transmission. It has 187,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives well. This truck features four-wheel drive that operates as it should, making it a reliable option for various road and weather conditions. Finished in blue with a gray interior, all power windows, gauges, and lights are functioning properly. However, the cruise control, horn, and the passenger side exterior key lock are currently not working. The vehicle has visible accident damage on the left front fender and door area, as shown in the photos. Due to this damage, the door does not seal properly at the top of the frame, resulting in increased wind noise while driving.